Hi lovely viewers, welcome to your own channel EasySaminJewelery. I'm here with a new very simple easy pattern earrings project. I hope you guys like it. We have started with 6 round texture beads, turquoise color. We have make some double knot. Now we have to add these pink color, shocking pink color round beads, 3 mm beads, 5. First we added in turquoise color 6 beads. Now I have added 5 passing through 1 turquoise bead. Now we are here when our thread is coming out from 1 turquoise bead, we have to add here we have to add 4 purple color 3 mm round beads passing through 2 beads, previous beads. Now we have to add 4th color. We are using 4th color, 4 colors in this project. Now we are adding 4th color, yellow color, 4 beads. Passing through 2 beads, previous beads. Now in this way we have added 4 colors in this earrings pattern. Now we are adding 1 turquoise 6 mm pearl between 2 purple beads. We have added here. We have prepared this pearl with head pins with help of nose plier, and then we added it. Now we are adding here, we have to attach here our earring wire between 2 golden beads. We are adding, we are making this project with polyester thread with normal cotton thread which we use for stitching. So soft thread is best for this project, so I used this soft thread, and it is easily available for all viewers. So now we have made some finishing knots, and now we have to trim here our extra thread. We will trim extra thread, very easy, and especially this project is for beginners. Today this project is specially for beginners, very easy and very quick to make. It will take no long time, but very elegant, colorful earrings are these earrings, and I hope you guys like it, and very easy pattern. So don't miss to make for your own. So don't forget to subscribe your channel EasySaminJewelery, your own channel. Make it successful with your subscriptions, your likes, your comments and sharings. So Don't forget to watch YouTube shorts from my channel, which I upload from this channel. Here are some final looks, videos and pics of today's project. Very colorful combination of colors. I hope you would like. Very colorful earrings, and you can easily make it for your friends, for yourself, for your daughters, for girls. Especially this is for beginners. Here, final looks. Enjoy it, watch it, and like and share. It's your own channel. I noticed that many viewers watch my videos, but they forget to subscribe. It takes no long time, so please subscribe. I'll be very thankful to you, because I need your subscriptions. And now it's time to say bye. So thanks for watching. Take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Lots of love and bye bye.